Good morning guys! Game 5 na po ng SMB versus TNT PBA Philippine Cup Finals. Game 5. Naisip ko itong content na ito dahil kay Coach Chito Victolero na nakausap namin kahapon sa Homer Says Podcast. Just in case din nyo pa napapanood yan, panoodin nyo po. At nagbigay siya sa akin ng idea sa next content ko. Kasi tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, Coach, sino ang magcha-champion at anong sa tingin mo mangyayari dito po sa serye ng SMB versus TNT Finals? At ito yung sagot niya. Pag-uusapan natin yan. Pero bago yan, popromote ko muna yung mga business ni Coach. Ipopost ko rin ito mamaya, no? So, siya pala yung may-ari ng Clomar Sportswear. Check nyo na lang yung FB page niya. At ipopost ko dito kung gusto niyo po ng mga jersey or mga uniform sa basketball kay Coach Shot na kayo magpagawa. And meron din siyang resort. Kanya ba to? V-Farm Garden Resort Santa Maria, Bulacan. Ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section ang mga links po at paano po kontakin ng kanya mga business. Pero pag-usapan na natin ito. SMB pa rin sa tingin ko magcha-champion na.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Excited na ako magkamali para maraming comment. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Pausalud pa ako Sports. Welcome po sa ating pong Daily Basketball Podcast. Excited ako. Nagkakape ko lang kasi. Anyway, kahapon napanood, di ko lang napanood yung Homer Says Podcast. Guest namin si Coach Chito. So, nagkaroon ako ng idea because of the best of three. Best of three na kasi tabla na eh. Series ng PBA Finals, SMB versus TNT. So, tinanong ko si Coach and he made up a very good point. Hindi ko na gusto ko sana magsalita si Coach kung sino ang kakampihan niya. Kala ko San Miguel sasagutin niya kasi Magnolia siya. Pero he was neutral and he give out a very good idea. I-check nyo na lang yung kanya pong sinabi. Pero essentially ang sinabi niya, it's a player's game. Yung first 4 games, it's a coach game. And now it's a player's game. Sabi niya, the game, whoever will win, will be the deciding factor is who will step up beyond the usual guys. So naisip ko tuloy kung sino ba ang magiging X factor ng serye na ito or the best of 3, the last 3 games. Because right now, yung given kasi na mga players sa Talking Tech, sina Calvin Oftana, si Jordan Heading at saka sina Nambatak, yan lagi yung usual na gumagawa. So, hindi na daw yan ang magiging factor. Gaya naman sa sa San Miguel, sina Junmar Fajardo, sina CJ Perez, sina Don Troliano, sila yung tatlo na usual gumagawa on the offense side or sila yung usually na mga factor. When we talk about X factor, we talk about those players na, will step up. Yung hindi sila yung main guys but they become so significant that they become the reason kung bakit nanalo or mananalo ang isang koponan, especially in a championship series. So, yan ang tanong ko sa inyo. Sino sa tingin nyo ang X factor? Now, I will give you mine and let me know if you agree. If not, tell me who your X factor is. Yan ang aabangan natin. And ito, medyo kakaiba yung sasabihin ko, ha? So, sa SMB muna tayo. Sa akin, ang namimiss ko dito na sa tingin kong dapat maging X factor or magiging X factor, dalawa. These are Jericho Cruz and Marcio Lassiter. I think these two guys, si Jericho, his contribution is there pero hindi yung katulad dati, siya talagang naging significant kumbaga player. So iniintay ko na sumabog talaga si Jericho Cruz at magbigay ng malaking impact. No, he's given contribution pero not that yung parang yung mga last na ginawa niya. So sa tingin ko siya, si Marcio Lassiter naman talagang naging parang invincible para sa akin ng konti si Marcio. Marcio, I think needs to step up again. I will be calling out Marcio Lassiter na sana makascore siya ng ilan 3, 0 out of 3 siya I think last game. So maybe not an X factor but he needs to be a reliable itong si Marcio Lassiter. Pero si Jericho Cruz ang iniintay ko na talagang sumagot, no? At magpakitang gilas. So, yan ang sa San Miguel. Para naman sa Talk and Text, I have this other thing na i-share ko sa inyo X factor in a different. Usually kasi pag sinasabing X factor, most of the time sinasabi natin mag-step up, mag-score. So sa akin, of course, yung off-tanay heading ng Batak, yung Williams parang given na rin eh. But sa akin si Simon Enciso ang iniintay ko na sana pumutok si Simon Enciso sa Token Text could be the X factor. But the other X factor that I'm looking for para sa Token Text is this. Ito rin yung sa tingin ko pwedeng makatulong sa Token Text. Again, it's a player's game, but it's not always about offense. It's about defense. So sa akin, like pinag-usapan kahapon, parang no one can stop Junmar Fajardo, but at least limit them. So I think Brandon Ganuela's roster is one of the guys that I'm looking forward to be a factor not on the offensive side, but on the rebounding side. It's not that I want him to get a lot of rebound, but I want them, including Kelly Williams or yung Galinato, to be the X factor in making sure they box out or they lessen the rebound. Rebound na, hindi score ha. The rebound of itong Junmar Fajardo. Just imagine kung malesen nila ang rebound ni Junmar Fajardo by boxing him out. Okay, that's one. And the other is, napapansin ko, ginagawa to ni Kelly Williams. I think he needs to make sure i-stretch out niya si Jorma. Alam naman natin, he is very good in offense, he's very good in rebound, pero he's not that fast in reacting si Julmar Fajardo. So, kaya nakakascore ng outside shot si Kelly Williams kasi parang hindi siya mahabol basta-basta ni Julmar. So, I think that will be the factor. So, yun po yung aking mga X factor dito sa laro na ito. And at the end of the day, excited pa rin ako. Again, anyone can win the PBA finals. Both of the two teams has the capability. But you ask me to predict, or if I predict, then I have to choose one. Ayoko ng mga safe man. Dahil mga analyst ngayon na pa-safe, ganito yan, pero pag nagkaganito, ganito, hindi ganon. So, I'll be fearless in my forecast. I'm not gonna change it. I predicted the Token Text to win Game 4, but tonight, I think SMB, and I think SMB will be the champion. If they lose tonight, I still believe SMB will be the champion of this conference. See you guys later. Post game tayo ha.